It is usually recommended the distance between the wheel and the fender flush as a reference for the best size of the wheel spacers. For the choice of bolt-on wheel spacers and slip-on wheel spacers, if the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, we'll recommend slip-on wheel spacers. Simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts. If you add high offset wheels or a wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need bolt-on wheel spacers. Usually, bolt-on wheel spacers are available in larger size, 25mm up to 70mm or even more. BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 116mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD and CB conversion wheel adapters.
That's today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.